Do you want to know how you can log into your RPO Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your RPO Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for RPO Payroll Login and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of RPO Employee Kiosk. Now, what you need to do is write down your username on the first box. You can either use your username or your email address, so go ahead and keep it over here and then go to the password section and write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure it is correct by clicking on this icon and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your RPO Payroll account. Let me teach it to you once again. Search for RPO Payroll Login and then click on the first link. After you click on the first link, write down your username, your password and click login. This way, you can successfully log into your RPO Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your username or your password, these are the two links to retrieve back your username or to recover your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click register an account and create an RPO Payroll account now. I hope this video about how you can log into your RPO Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.